Konnichiwa, welcome to Mrs. Lin's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make garlicky edamame. Edamame is commonly blanched in salted water and served as a snack or appetizer in many Japanese restaurants. Today I'm going to show you another way of serving this delicious snack using only 6 ingredients. So let's get started now. Here is the ingredients overview. Frozen edamame is sold at many Asian supermarkets, and you can get any brand that's available at your local store. For this recipe, I use a bag of 1 pound frozen edamame. Make sure to adjust the ingredient ratio according to your bag of edamame. To begin, first grate the garlic. Next, squeeze the lemon juice. I use 2 teaspoons, but feel free to use more depending on your liking. Chop the parsley if you use fresh parsley. If you don't have fresh parsley, dry parsley will do the job too. Next, heat up a pot of water so we can boil the edamame. When the water starts to bubble, add the edamame and boil for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, turn up the heat and take all the edamame out. While the edamame is still warm, season with 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of salt depending on your taste and mix well. Start with 1.5 teaspoons first, and if it's not salty enough for you, add more. Next, mix in 2 teaspoons of grated garlic and 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Finally, add in the parsley and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. You want to add these 2 ingredients last when the edamame has cooled off. Mix everything together. If you like spicy food, you can also add some dried chili pepper. Your garlicky edamame is now ready to be served as an appetizer or snack. So this is my second version of garlicky edamame. If you check out the other version, let me know which version you prefer. If you're looking for that quick and easy snack that is low carb and nutritious, this is it. I hope you try it out and let me know what you think. Happy eating, happy holidays, and thanks for watching! Garlicky, salty, and that lemon give a really good kick to the overall flavors. I like it.